Hey guys, just want to quickly show you stuff I got this weekend. So we'll start with this. So, fleece that I got out of Mint Warehouse. Just to say there was a sale on both the shops I got all this stuff from. It's got a pocket there. These trousers, which I got out of Trespass. I got 2 pairs of these. I got this pair and the next size up. And these things have a ton of pockets on them. So, I'll be putting a lot of stuff together and putting them in my pockets probably. Have this base layer shirt that I got out of Mint Warehouse as well. And I got 2 of these as well. Pair of gaiters. I've got one inside there, that's where they came. I've tried them out, I've tried all the stuff out, I'm just leaving them at that because why not? I've just shown these. It's almost like a spork, but it's not. And it has a bottle opener as well. My 2 mess tins. I'm actually going to keep that inside the 2 of them. Just because, you know. And I didn't actually get this bag, but I found it in my mum's car, so I'm going to use that. And show you my boots films in this. LED head torch. No batteries in it yet, so there you go. Just everything I got this weekend. So thanks for watching.